Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. Okay, welcome to another EdTech Tutor talk. We're going to talk about creating a Jeopardy game for your classroom. We're going to use jeopardylabs.com. So I have a website open here, jeopardylabs.com, and we're going to create a Jeopardy game. It works just like Jeopardy, a TV show. So you can create categories and value numbers, questions and answers. So let's create a Jeopardy game. This is free and easy to use, no account required. So we'll create a password. Okay, start building. I want to save this password. Okay, enter your Jeopardy game title, category names, and then we can click as many cells and rows as we want. So let's enter a title. So this will be computer, hardware. Okay. So enter category name. So internal, external, and then let's do ports. So we can go across. I'll show you how this is saved and finished. So I'm going to click on 100. When we click on the box for the value number, we have to have a question and an answer. So quick question, what is RAM? Okay. Random access memory to run programs. Click continue. Okay. I'm going to click external. What is a port? A port is a way to connect a device. Continue. Ports. What is USB? Universal serial bus to connect printers, cameras, phones. Okay. So this is sort of reverse of Jeopardy, where we're asking the question first and they give us the answer. In Jeopardy, you have the answer and they give the question. So this is for classroom. So this is asking questions, and then they provide the answer. So I'm just going to do a few here. So this is external device. How many buttons on a mouse? So this is a quick quiz question. It's not really scored, it's just for the classroom. To left and right on a standard mouse. Okay, click continue. So we have some questions now. We can continue this, just practice, save and finish. Okay, your game was created. It creates a URL for you. You can share. So we can do teams, 3 teams, no teams, 1 team. You choose, depending on how you want to divide up your classroom. So 1 team would just be 1 person, or do no teams and just call on students. So I teach a class of anywhere from 6 to 12. Hard to divide teams unless you divide it down the middle. But I choose the number of people and just go around the room. So 6 teams would be 6 people. So I'm going to choose How about this is 6, so 2 teams. Start. Okay. So they have them select a category, and then you click the button and manage the points on the bottom. So internal parts. So what is RAM? Team 1. So if you notice at the top, continue is escape, reveal space bar, or reveal correct answer space bar. So what is RAM? It's memory for the computer. Okay, so space bar, random access memory to run programs. So did they get it right? I will say yes. Press escape. Go to the next question. 200. How do you connect a monitor? We use the battery port. And reveal the space bar. Incorrect, so minus. So that was team 2. And then continue on. So internal 200. What is central processing unit? Space bar. Correct. And then escape. Continue. Space bar. Correct. Escape. Continue. Universal serial bus. So as the instructor, the proctor, you have to keep track of which team is which, giving them correct score. Okay. Space. Escape. And then last one. How many buttons on a standard mouse? 3. So that's incorrect. And then here's the final. So there you go. Team 1 got 100, so they get the prize. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. This is the EdTech Tutor channel. Thank you for watching this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe and return back for more episodes coming soon.